Hey guys, I am Textacity and welcome to today's awesome video about what's my daily driver. Today we are going to look about Tecno Y2 and we are going to check out its specifications for today. I hope you enjoy this video. A huge shout out to two of my fans, Palashmon Big Guy, for supporting my channel big time. Thank you Palash and the Big Guy. Now let's get into the software part of my device. And my device runs on Android 4.4.2, which is the KitKat variation of Android. And from the farthest right, you can see that screenshot of the satisfying animation of all Android variations. Now here is a quick snippet of my phone's specifications running on Android 4.4.2. The front camera sporting 0.3 megapixels and the rear camera sporting 2.0 megapixels. My display resolution is 480 by 800 pixels and 320 pixels per inch or ppi. This was a quick video on the small tiny details about my phone, and if there's anything that you wish I cover, don't forget to hit me up on the comment section down below and I'll be sure and happy to review it in my next video. Till then, thanks for watching and always don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.